In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the sun visor on this Dodge Dart. Let's get into it. Take the sun visor, flip it the other way. You can see right here, there's a little cover. I'm just using a pick. Slide that cover down. Using a T20 socket, loosen up the screw. Take that screw out, grab the visor, tip it down, pull it out of that lock right there. Slide this down. Let's see where there's a connector. Take the new visor, spin this around. Line the connector up. Lock it in place. Feed that through. Tip it down. We can lock it on this side. Fold it up. Take the T20 socket and screw it in. Just snug, not too tight. Okay. Close the little cap. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.